Power tools use mini ball bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or a squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear housing. Now I'll pull the brush springs away from the brushes. And I'll pull the brush slightly out of the housing. Now I'll remove the screws that secure the gear case to the motor housing. And I'll separate the two housings. Now I'll remove the armature from the housing. Now I can remove the bearing. To remove it, I'll use a bearing separator. I place it over the bearing and tighten up the nuts. Then I'll place the separator over the jaws on my vise and use a rubber mallet to tap the armature out of the bearing. Now I can install the new bearing. I'll place it over the armature shaft and use a socket that has a diameter about the same as the inner bearing race to tap it into place. Now I'll reinstall the armature into the gearbox assembly. And I'll reinstall the armature and gearbox assembly back into the motor housing. And secure it with the screws. Now I'll place the springs back over the brushes. And now I can reinstall the housing. And that's all it takes to install a new ball bearing in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.